Hi guys, it's Miana and today I'm gonna try something new, which is DIY the crop tops from Hi guys, it's Miana and today I'm gonna try something new, which is DIY the crop top from my old t-shirt. I'm not sure how many crop tops that I can make, but let's give myself a try. Well, since I have to stay at home, I watched a lot of YouTube videos, and last week something came up on my YouTube feed, which is this. Well, since this one came up, I watched a lot of DIY clothes video. A lot, seriously a lot. And I was like, well, this is so excited and amazing because I have tons of clothes that I don't want. Like, I don't know where to donate them or I don't know where to get rid of them. Well, and I think that it would be great if I can do it because I can get a new one, I can get rid of my old one. And 2 days ago, I bought this one. It's something that I need to do. And well, I have never tried something like this before. I think that I'm gonna try my best and I can do it. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let's do it. And also I will credit the video that I use here. Right here. But I think I got a problem. As you can see that she used something to write on the shirt, but I don't have something like that. Oh my god, what should I do?
A few moments later.
I figured it out. What I'm gonna use this with the eyeshadow. But like, don't worry about it because it's just a little mark. I can wash it off. So, oops. I don't know what to say, but it's not even straight. Whatever. Chill, guys. Well, if you look from the outside, it's good. Look at this. Look at this detail. So small. But if you look in the inside, so bad. The first one is really bad because I don't know how to use this thing. This is the first one. Second one is prettier. And now it's 6 p.m. I'm gonna cook something for my dinner, so I'll be right back. Do you remember what I said that I'll be right back after I cook something for my dinner? But I didn't because I watched Netflix all night and played some games. So I think it's time. Yeah, it's time to finish this. Well, I don't understand a single word. Like, she speaks German, but yeah, my sewing machine can do something like this. She adjusts something, but mine is nothing like her. So,
nähen und dann hinten zusammenknoten.
maybe we should.
Leisten habe ich übrigens jetzt mal extra dran gelassen, weil ich mir dachte, dass sie das Ganze
I think that I'm gonna do what I can do. I haven't finished this side, but I already finished this. So, let's do this. I'm gonna update that I finished doing both sides. It's not that bad, but it's not that good. So, whatever. But my sewing machine cannot do something like her, so I can't do something like her. I just found something in my house. It is this. Well, I need more than one of this. I can sew it better with this because I don't have anything like this, so this turned out not bad, not good. So let's move on. I got this. This gonna be before. I'm not sure that I can do it. It's quite hard. Let's try. This is me. It's nighttime and I just showered, so there's no makeup on my face. I just want to say that I want to give up so bad because it's so freaking damn hard. This is the sharpest scissors that I have. I think this is the sharpest, but it's not sharp enough. So when I cut the fabric or the satin, it will look like this. Can you see this? It's kind of suck. I don't know that I can make it or not, but I would get it done. Like, I'm gonna try my best and I can do it. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. Gonna be fun. This is so hard, but let's try it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to show you this. This is what I'm trying to do, but I quit. But it happened. I don't know why I can do this. Because normally it would be like this. Okay, it doesn't because well, I want to sew the fabric in this part, but I don't know how. But it just happened. Finally, I figured out how to do it. Look at this. Yo, look at this. It's just like what it looks like in the YouTube video. What I did is I just need to grab a little of this, like this, and then sew it. Wow.
A few moments later.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is not what I meant to do, okay? It seems beautiful, but it's not useful. It's supposed to be the crop top. Look at this. Where's the bag? Let it go. So I decided to give up because I can't do anything like this. Bye bye. Bye bye. And also bye bye. I will come back when I have passion to do it again.
A few moments later.
I just saw this video. I think that if my crop tops only cover in the front, so I can still use this. Look at this. Now it looks like this. It just cover only the front. So finally I think I can complete one outfit. Maybe if I can do it. And I think I can do it. Even though I want to give up, but after I saw that YouTube, I think I can do it again. Please be good. Be good. I'm gonna cut it into 2 pieces so I can make strings quite long. I think that it would turn out good. Did it. Ooh, 2 strings for this crop tops. I need more 2 strings. Seriously, I'm so tired and I need to sleep right now. Oh. Hey guys, and now I'm done. And this is what it looks like. Well, yesterday I said that I need 2 more strings. What I did is I cut 2 strings that I have, so there are 4 strings. These 3 sizes that anyone can wear. You can wear with anything you want. You can wear with the jean jacket, like this. Well, I know this is inappropriate, but this is all I can do. This is my first time using the sewing machine and this is not what I want. Well, first of all, do you remember the first crop top that I want to make is this? But it's turned out like this. It's quite good, it's quite pretty, you know. I can wear this anywhere I want. Yo guys, just be confident for who you are. The clothes doesn't matter at all. It's just all about the vibes. If you feel sexy, the clothes will be sexy. Well guys, just vibe. Sassy. Goodbye, hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching. See you next video.